Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am showing you how to set up Google Analytics in 2025 step by step. If you are run a website, online store or blog, you need analytics to track who's visiting, what they are clicking and where they are coming from. So let's get started and set your tracking up and running the right way. So, first of all, let's talk about what is Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a free tool that lets you track users user behavior on your website, like visits, traffic sources, bonus rate, time on page, and more. In 2025, GA4 or Google Analytics 4 is the default version replacing the old Universal Analytics. It uses an event-based model for better cross-platform tracking. Now, create a Google Analytics account. Go to analytics.google.com and log in with your Google account. Click Get Started today. Now, fill in your account name. This can be your business or brand. You will be asked You will be asked to set up your first property. Enter your website name, time zone, and currency. Make sure you are setting up a Google Analytics for property. This is automatic in 2025. Next, choose your platform for most websites. That's web. Enter your website URL and give the stream a name like main site. Click Create Stream. Google now generate a measurement ID. It starts with G followed by number and letters. You will you will need this in the next step. Add the tracking code to your website. Go to WordPress, install plugin like SiteKit by Google or GA Google Analytics. Paste your measurement ID in the plugin settings and save. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard. Log into your account. Go to Settings tab from the left side corner at the bottom of the screen. Now, Customer Events. Click Add Custom Pixel. Now, then add your Google Analytics for ID as a new pixel. Option 3. If you are using custom code, copy the full tracking script under tagging instructions and paste it inside your website head tag. Once added, save and publish your site. To check if it's working, go back to your analytics dashboard. Go to Reports tab, then click Real-Time Overview. Open your website in a new tab, and within seconds, you should see at least one active user. That's you. Congrats, tracking is live. Now that you are tracking, here's a quick tour of the Google Analytics 4 dashboard. First of all, home overview of users, sessions, traffic, reports, equations, equation, see where your traffic comes from, like Google, Social Direct, etc. Then engagement or explore, track page, views, time on site, and scroll depth. Events, GA for auto tracks events like clicks, video views, scrolls, etc. Conversions, set up goals like button, click or purchases. You can also create custom reports and connect GA4 to Google Ads or Search Console. Final tips. And that's it. Your Google Analytics 4 is now set up and tracking your site in 2025. Take time to explore the data. It's the key to growing your business and understanding your audience. You can start a new exploration, click blank. You can add table, donut chart, line chart, scatter plot, bar chart, and geomap. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a deep dive into GA4 reports. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.